Hi, I'm going to guide you through the HS-402 Surety Bond Verification Form. The HS-402 is a one-page form. This form is used to serve as a guarantee for the faithful and honest handling of the money of such patients. California Health and Safety Code, Section 1318, Chapter 2, Division 2, requires that licensed health facilities that handle money in excess of $25 per patient or over $500 for all patients in any month be bonded for not less than $1,000. Please check the upper right-hand corner of this form to ensure you are submitting the California Department of Public Health form and not the Department of Social Services form. The bonding agency must complete the following: facility name only. Tip time: licensee name, DBA facility name is acceptable. Facility address, city, county, and zip code. Name of the bonding agency, agency address, city, county, and zip code. State of California. Written dollar amount and the numeric dollar amount. The effective date of the bond. Day, month, year that the bonding agency subscribed their names and impressed their embossed seal. Print the bonding agency name and sign the form with an original wet signature. Bonding agency's embossed seal in the space provided. Tip time: please submit the original form with the embossed seal on all documents. In addition to submitting the HS-402, attach the original bond and the power of attorney form. In the event of cancellation of the bond, please send notice to the Centralized Applications Branch. See the upper left-hand side of this form for the notification information. If you have any questions regarding how to fill out the HS-402 Surety Bond Verification Form, please call the CAB main line at 916-552-8632 or submit an email to cab@cdph.ca.gov. CAB staff will respond to your inquiry within 48 hours. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it helps.